Hi, welcome back to 29 Days of Bot Creation with Elaine and Jess. It's Elaine here and it's day 18. You're probably able to hear some pitter patter and some noise around. That is actually the rain, and that is my vines hitting against my window. So, yeah, if you could hear some noise background, that's what it is. So today we're gonna talk about how to export bot data as well as how to export system generated log. So again, this too is a follow-up of a compliance GDPR compliance episode from yesterday. If you ever got requested to to provide a bot history of the bot data, that is one of the way you can do it. So first, let's look at exportation of bot data. So first we go to make.powerapps.com. So what we're going to do is we're going to download the bot data from the entity itself. So to do this, first of all, you need to be a tenant admin. So we are in the Elaine environment now, and we go to entities, somewhere data, entities, and we search for the bot entity. So again, the bot entity is created by default. I didn't create it. So as you can see, we find it now because it's showing default. So what you need to do is you go to all so that it displays all entity and you search for bot. So here it goes, the bot content. Click on it and click on export data, and it will generate a CSV file. So this will contain all your data session, all your bot sessions, bot conversations. Just give it a minute while it's trying to export. Normally it takes a while depending on how many bot sessions that you have. There you go. So now I'm just going to click download, and it's an exported file. Maybe what I put here, bot content 1. Just save it. As you can see, it's a zip file. Let's just try and open this. And what we got here is a CSV file. Let's see what's in that file. So what I have here, interesting. So what I have here is all the GUID. God, let me just try to there must be a way to, yeah, there you go. So what you have here is a content ID, status code, version number, and business unit. But what's happening here is that everything is in the grid. Yeah, I'm not very sure how this actually gonna work because I actually can't read the content because it's all in grid. As you can see the status here, but I'm not actually sure what the status means as well. To be honest, it doesn't make much meaning to me. Not sure why, but I'll try and find out. Well, this is my first time generating this as well. Doing this on the fly, so I'll try and see what I can find out, and then I'll let you know in the next episode if I find out anything. But anyway, you're able to generate the data from the bot content entity. So the next thing we look at is actually the system generated log. So to do that, you will need Azure subscription. So first you go to the GDPR data request DSRs. Make sure you sign in. So I'm just going to sign in here. sign in with your Microsoft account. So here we go, we've signed in. So this is the elaine.com. If I go down at the bottom, there should be a Microsoft Data Log Export. So when you click on it, again, it'll ask you to sign in. So this actually brings you to your Azure portal, and from there you can actually request for a download. Yeah, so I have a subscription here. So what you're going to do is you click on Manage User Requests, and then Add Export Requests. So first I'm going to search by the name, my name. So that's my name, and then this is my Azure subscription, and you need a storage account. I do not have one, so let's try and create one here. So you actually need to have a Azure subscription if you have not signed up for a trial. So here I just go call it PowerBot, and then I could actually select what's type of account. So this is storage account for block files, tables, and queue. Block storage is specialized for storing block data. So this is basically where you want to store it. I just leave it as default. Replication, this is as well. Yep, so this is for safety, so it's always replicated. And then for location, I'm gonna select Australia. So Asia Pacific Australia is. Oh, I already have PowerBot, so let's try if PowerBot is there. Strange. It says I have PowerBot, but I couldn't find the account. Yeah, I just call it PowerBot 2. I just create it. So just gonna give it a while to get it created. So once the storage is created, you could just populate the storage account and create a request for the generated log. Deploy validation fail. So this is not valid. Not sure why. Let's try block probably. I'm just trying an error here actually. Okay, fingers crossed it works. So it's still trying to validate. While it's waiting, let me see what messages I have here. Oh yeah. Oh cool. So it's completed now. So if I try PowerBot 2. Okay, maybe I just need to refresh this. And fingers crossed I'm able to see PowerBot 2. So add export request. Elaine. PowerBot 2. Create. So it's creating a data request now. Not sure what's going to happen here. Haven't done this before. Oh, so here you go. So data export time could vary. So this is the one pending. So it will take up to a day or 2 to 30 days to complete. So now we're just gonna wait and see what happens in the next few days. I'll constantly check it, and once I have the request ready, I'll just show it in the next video. So that's all I have for today. This is a short and nice one. I hope you enjoyed this episode and learned something, and have a good night or good morning if you're on the other side of the world. Happy boating. Bye.